Hi friends, welcome to Scorpion YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel to get latest technology videos and entertainment videos. And click on bell icon to get notifications of the videos. And friends, in this video I will tell you how to scan documents or your ID cards or the books or the presentations going on the wall and the notice boards uh, to take the photos of that from your Android mobile through an Android application. Friends, you know that if you scan or take a photo of any your documents or any ID card, you will get an folded margins of your page or document, and you will get a shadow of your mobile also, and your body, etc. Friends, I will tell you one application. Friends, if you scan the document from that application, you will you will get an HD quality image like that of scanning from the computer scanners, like that. Friends, please watch this video till the end to get complete information that of that application. Friends, the application is the Cam Scanner. Friends, you can download this application from the Google Play Store and then iPhone Store. I don't waste your time. Let's start how to do it. Okay friends, first go to Play Store, search Cam Scanner, the first application. You can see friends, it stands second rank in top grossing productivity, and already 100 million downloads and 4.6 ratings with by 14 lakhs peoples. And install that application friends, then open it. Now click on camera icon. Okay friends, you can scan with these documents, ID cards or in any QR code and PPTs like presentations going on the wall, and then any greeting card. You can make greeting card, the whatever you want, just write it on the paper and scan that one. You will get the greeting card like this, and any other plain cards or any um, like pamphlets, etc, etc. Okay friends, now I will tell only the document scanning. In ID card friends, you can get any ID card and passport scanning. You will get front page, and after taking the photo of front page, you will get automatic option of back page. And now I will tell you the scanning of documents friends. You will get two options friends, single mode and batch mode. Single mode means if you scan documents only one document at a time, just click on the single mode. If you are scanning any books or etc and you want to get that continuously in PDF format, use batch mode. You want single images also, you can use batch mode. And in settings, the lines and flashlight on off, and then the font and etc. Okay, just you can see this circle like bubble. If that bubble comes to center, it means you have hold your phone straightly. Okay, if that circle gone, it means you have holded your phone very straightly. You can take photo in any direction. Just take a photo, just leave the sides with some space, because the application has to identify the document exact size, and it will, if that identify correctly, it will crop that image exactly. If it doesn't give the space, the cropping will not proper man. So just give space along all sides. Just click on the camera button. it will auto focus the image and will scan the document perfectly and take another page photo. Just then after completion of the scanning, just click on the tick mark and the processing will done, and it will automatically crop and make any clarification. Just see friends how the letters, the quality, and how the image quality will that, and you can see that the image is automatically perfectly crop the page or any documents. If you want to crop more, just click on this crop button, and if you want how much the distance or how much you want, just click on that cropping, and you can rotate the document for any direction. Then after that click tick mark and it will scan, and you can get many effects like auto mode, and it will automatically correct everything, and original image just like that of, and lightning of that image, magic color, gray mode, black and white to etc etc. Automatic mode is the best one. After that you can see how perfect document you can get, right? As like that of scanning from the any computer scanners. You can scan like that from your handheld phone, friends. How lucky you are, right? And friends, if you are taking the photos of book or any document, if you get the image is blurred or the clarity is not good, then you can retake the photo. If you are taking in a single document, then it is not a big issue, but when you take a photos of the series or the any book, if you want to change the photo in the middle pages, it is difficult in regular camera, but in this application friends, you will get a special option, that is retake option friends. You can go to, if you want to like this, you will get an 1 2 3 4 5 6 pages. If you want to change the photo of the second page, just go to that and then click on the retake button friends. Then it will automatically open the camera, and you can you can get again another photo. After that, when take single photo, you have to crop manually friends. The automatic cropping only in the batch mode only. In single mode you have to manual crop as to do then. See friends how black that image is, but now it will be completely converted into white image. Yeah, see the image is changed, and you can see the how the image clarity. In regular camera you will not get this much clarity friends. And friends, in this application you will get another option, that is import from your gallery. Means if you have already taken the images of the documents from your inbuilt camera, that images can be imported to this application and can be converted like these images. Yes, like this quality. Let me show how to do it. Just click on three dots and import from gallery. You can select single image also or multiple images, then import. It takes some time for processing, and in this process it will automatically crop, and effects like these actions will take place. Yeah, see, processing. Yeah, one image is completed, right? You can see the quality of the image. And friends, if you can't see the HD quality of the image from this video, because the video quality is not that much good, hence you can't perfectly know the quality of this image. But when you see in live, means when you do it in your own, you will know that how this application is useful. And you can save these images in PDF format and in JPG format also. If you want to save this one as JPG format, then select that photo and click save to gallery. Like save to gallery, friends, notification you will get. Or you want to get these pages in PDF format, just click on the PDF. After creating the PDF, it will ask you have to open from which application. Like I use WPS Office. Yeah, see friends, how a PDF is created from the book. Like this, you can scan any textbook and make an PDF of that book, and like you can use like ebook, right? Like this, and you can share with these documents or anything with your friends, and you can have the cloud space. You can store with when you can store this any documents in cloud space. It will give you the free space, cloud space. Like if you register it your any account, you will get 200 MB. If you write a review, 200 MB. Facebook page, like you will get offers like this. Like this, friend. Yeah, like this you can use application for many purposes, like this, and this will help you a lot. Okay friends, if you like this video, just click on the like button and share.